Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the HP Photosmart Premium C410A. If you're having any issues printing a certain color or your print quality just isn't there anymore, this video is going to help you out with a method that you can use that's very inexpensive, very easy. Anyone can do this. You don't have to send it out for servicing or anything like that. It's very inexpensive. So without further ado, we'll get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that all of your ink is out. You don't want to have the ink and that you're not going to be able to take the print head out like that. So all your ink is going to be out just like it is there. And you're going to go ahead and lift up this latch, take out the print head. Okay, then you're going to want to have a plastic container just like this and a plastic syringe with print head cleaning fluid or isopropyl alcohol. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for a syringe that's actually much better than this one, that actually fits over each nozzle. They have different parts. It's very inexpensive. I highly recommend that you, if you are doing this project, you go ahead and buy that. It's in the link in the description below. It's on Amazon. I'll also leave a link in the description below for a printer just like this if you're wanting to buy a new one, or if you needed to buy new printer ink, which if you do not have full ink, I highly recommend that you go into the link in the description below, you buy new ink, because if you're running low, that could be causing a problem. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and you can go ahead and remove this off. It's very easy. Okay, you go ahead and remove it just like that. And you're going to go ahead and get your syringe, and you're going to go ahead and go over each nozzle. I'm going to go over each one, and we'll be right back. Okay, with these type of print heads, I would go ahead and use the syringe on it, and then I would take it to even further, and I would go ahead and leave it soaked in isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and pour it right on there. And this is another step that you can take. I highly recommend this step with your print head cleaner or your isopropyl alcohol. Just make sure you put a lot more than I just did. Make sure it's completely full, and you go ahead and leave that there soaked for up to 24 hours after you've even done the syringe cleaning, which after that you're gonna have a completely cleaned out print head. And this is kind of just whatever else is dried up ink in there, this is going to take care of that. So that's really all there is to it. Again, there are links in the description below for the printer ink, and your syringe. I'm also going to have a link to isopropyl alcohol if you're wanting to buy it online. So that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.